Carve top brow, carve bottom brow, middle. Blend all over eyelid, black eyeshadow, dab all over mobile lid. Blend upwards towards temple. Small blending brush, small circular motions to diffuse. Blacken the waterline, weave leftover shadow from the brush, diffuse the lower lash line. Concealer on the inner corner, concealer on the outer corner, making sure not to bring it too high to the shadow. Center of forehead, center of nose, chin, and cupid's bow. Darker shade of foundation for cream contour on the cheekbones, forehead, jawline, and nose. Lightly dabble this in so it makes the blending process a little bit easier with foundation. Now it looks something like this. Grab your foundation, apply a few dots on the areas that don't have any makeup at all. With another flat foundation brush, we're going to lightly dab all this into our face. Lightly blend your concealer against your lower lash line. Set your face with powder. Fill in eyebrows, wine color lip liner. Smudge it into the center of your lips. Powder bronzer, mascara. Smoke out the lower lash line a little bit more. And you're done.